Hi, and welcome to the training workshop. I'm Rebecca Adams. This is holiday season Ching. I hope you are as excited as I am. So grab a notebook and pen and let's get started. So today's presentation, the main topics are why you need to plan for the holiday season, what you should focus on, how to put your plan into action, because it's all about taking action on everything and getting those sales in and everything else, your pre-launch strategy and what that entails as well, going all in and believing in yourself, launching the thing, whatever your product or service or whatever it is that you are selling and launching all of that, and then Ching Ching, which is all about people saying yes to your products and your services and your offerings, and then all the money flowing in, because that's what we're after. So first off, just a little bit about myself. I'm Rebecca Adams. I am a life, business and mindset mastery mentor. Been in business a very long time. You can get me at rebeccaadamsbiz.com. And as a life and business mentor, I empower you to feel alive and live a phenomenal life in all arenas of your life and business, both personally and professionally. And as a mindset mentor, I kick ass with everything. I have a different approach to challenging things, changing things up, your belief system, your healing, your leveling up, everything. And I don't hold back myself. So it is all about you. So let's get back to holiday season Ching. Why create a plan for the holiday season? Well, the thing is that otherwise if you don't have a plan, you're just hoping that you'll get the sales in. Whereas if you actually create a plan, you are going to serve more customers with your incredible products and services. And it's really great. So, one topic that I love to talk about is figures. The total spend in 2023 over the Black Friday weekend was 8.74 billion pounds, which on average is about 113 pounds per shopper. I'm going to break that down both online and offline in a second. But what I want you to think of is that you need to keep your eyes on the people anyway. Don't chase the money. Keep your eyes on the people, and it's all about serving them with the products and services and offerings that you have. What do you have that they can get emotionally attached to? And imagine every single person is worth £113 to you. So as I said, we'll break them up. So this is an increase, okay? And this is 3.9 billion offline, and then 4.81 billion online. So think about having a piece of that pie. Okay, really, really think about having a piece of the 4.81 billion if you are online. And then obviously, if you've got a bricks and mortar place, offline as well. Think about how much you could actually bring in if you create your own plan for your products and services over the holiday season yourself. So to maximize sales, you've got to showcase your products and services, okay? So take this opportunity now to think about the 4-day window. So you've got Black Friday, you've got the Saturday and Sunday, and then Cyber Monday. So it's a 4-day window for you to create an actual incredible strategic plan to bring all your clients and customers to your website, to your online presence, to your bricks and mortar store, whatever it is, to your, if you are having, showcasing anywhere at a fete, or you're having a stall, or wherever it is for you, really, really think about that. So the reasons are why you need to plan. Don't leave it all to hope, which is what I said before. Planning out your idea ahead of time will help you to not feel the stress and pressure, and kind of as though the light is shining on you, so that you can actually breathe a little bit easier over the actual 4 days, and that you can actually think about what you're going to write, what images you're going to share, all of this. So I'm going to cover everything in this workshop, okay? Also, don't have the mindset of post once and make 10K. Okay, you have to have a plan behind what you're doing. Are you taking them on a journey? Are you sharing with them? Are you going to drip feed some things leading up to it? The get rich quick BS doesn't work anymore. People are savvy, people are very open and honest, and they can actually see whether you are being real and genuine or not. Okay. And also showcase your expertise of solving a problem, achieving a goal. You are phenomenal. Your offerings are as well. So you've got to showcase them in the best light in order to attract your audience. That is what we're after. So, what you should focus on is your clients and customers and their needs and desires. What is it that you can help with? So, whatever they are up against or whatever they need, your product or service or offering is actually the result that they want. You can get them the result, and it's exactly what they're after. Okay. So, that is what you should focus on. So, the areas I've put them into four different categories, four different pillars for you. So, the products, services, social media, and email list. Okay, all four are phenomenal. You can do one or you can do all of them. I would recommend doing all of them. Okay, so the products, what products are you going to feature? What price points are you going to focus on? And think about the photography as well. Have nothing in the background. We're going to be talking about that as well, but you really need to showcase your products in a great light. Services. What services are you going to offer? Are you going to bundle some things together that you've got? What price points are you going to add? Are you going to add some bonuses? You don't necessarily need to bring down the price. You can actually add in something extra and then that can boost the price as well. Social media. What are your best platforms? Where are your people congregating? Where are they? And then decide on images for each different platform because they're all different. Are you going to do reels? Are you going to do videos? Are you going to do posts? What you're going to write? All of that stuff. It all needs planning out. Don't forget, we have the lead up to the 4-day window as well. Okay. And then after. Okay, so we've got the after bit too. And then also email list. Focus on your VIP email list. If you've got one, fantastic. If you need to build one, fantastic. I have resources to help you on my website, rebeccaadamsbiz.com, for that too. So what you need to do is really, really have a look at your hot and warm audience, because that is your VIP email list. They have signed up to your email list. They want to hear from you. Go in with them first, and then everyone else is extra, and it's really great. So the one thing that I really want you to do is build relationships. It's about building the relationship with the people. It's very important. You need to know them. You need to get to know them, okay? They don't have a pound or dollar sign above their head, but they do have hopes, dreams, desires, wishes. They do have family, health, and needs, and so much more, okay? So if you can build those solid, firm foundation relationships with people and really be genuine, don't just go in the DMs and just think about them as a sale, the £113. You know what I mean? Really, really think about building relationships. Not only will it help you to build your business and really grow and scale your business over time, but it can really help the longevity of it when you stand out and be different and actually really channel and get to know them as people themselves. Where do they live? What country are they in other words, to talk to them, whether they're in the US dollars, whether they're in Australian dollars, whether they're in the South Africa range, whether they use euros, whatever it is. Okay, really get to know them. If they got family, do they drive a car? What are their dreams and goals and desires? Can you actually help with that? Have you got any product, services, or offerings that can help with that? Or they can help you to actually show your products and services and share them out and be an affiliate for you. There's many different avenues, but you've got to get to know the people for the people, not just a case of an exchange that they're going to give you the money and then you build relationships with them. You can build relationships with them constantly all the time for free as well. Okay, so the starting point, your products and services are there to solve problems and offer opportunities. That is what you're focusing on. So decide for the 4-day window, are you going to sell something that you already have, or are you going to make and create something brand new? Okay, so really think about it, get clarity on it, get a light bulb there, and really know what you're wanting to focus on. Don't be all selling everything over the 4-day period. Really hone in and sell 1 to 3 products that you can really, really focus on, or get people to get their eyes on your website, in your shop, walking in, all eyes on your offerings, your products, your services, everything. Okay. And then you need to create images that you can use on all devices. Okay. So they need to be crisp, they need to be clear. You've got to be careful of the background. I see so many people take photos of products, and then I'm like, what is all this mess in the background? You need to make sure that their eyes, when they see your photograph, the product that you are showcasing pops off the screen, and it really is great that they're solely only focused on that. Okay. So, but you need to have fun with it as well. Make sure you focus on the lighting too, because that's important as well. And then decide on the price point. You don't necessarily need to have a sale. So don't sell yourself short at all. Make sure you're making a profit, but choose a price that aligns with you. And then, as I said there, sleep on it, see if you're still okay with it in the morning, and then go on from there. And if you're at a price point where you don't know whether to go up a little bit, go up five. So if you're selling something for like £15 or $15, if it feels good, go up again. How does it feel at 20? How does it feel at 25? Stop when it feels uncomfortable and then go below. So instead of selling at 25, say 24.99, 24.98, or whatever it is, because the people focus on the beginning numbers. Okay, so the first number. So instead of saying 3.99, uh, you know, £4, you can say 3.99 or something like that. Okay, so it is about dropping the number because they always focus on the first number. Okay, so instead of it being four, focus on 3.99 or something like that. Okay. Speak your ideal client's language. So, what, why, and two hows here. Okay. So, what do they need help with? Really hone in on your expertise, skills, talent, knowledge, wisdom, all of this. And then really know that you can help them with the product or service. What do they need help with? And what language and wording do they use that you can bring into your social media posts, videos, reels, emails, anything, okay? And why should they buy your product and service? What definitely can you really, really help with? And why should they buy from you? Why are you different? Why can this product or service or offering really help them, okay? How can they relate to you and resonate with what you're saying? Have you got a story that you can share with them? Stories sell, right? So have they got something that they can connect with you with that builds up the like know and trust factor, and so they're willing to kind of open their personal wallet to you. And also, how are they going to benefit and feel from buying your products and service? What's the end game for them? Because it is all about them. They're not buying the product, they're buying the end result of what it will feel like, what it will do for them. That is what they're buying. Okay, so Brian Tracy has a wonderful quote: approach each customer with the idea of helping him or her solve a problem or achieve a goal, not selling a product or service. So therefore, it's not about the product or service. It's about the end game. It's the goal. It's the result. It's the feeling. It's the emotion, what they are going to receive. Okay. So you need to put your plan into action. So jot these dates down. Black Friday this year is the 29th of November. Cyber Monday is the 2nd of December. So you've got the 4-day window of opportunity. Okay. It's very, very powerful. And now you've got to plan, plan, plan. So it's all about the strategy. So you've got to focus on the pre-launch, pre-launch, and then launch. Okay. So this is where you're going to drip feed over a couple of days before in order to lead up to the 4-day window. Okay. So decide what products and services and offerings you are going to showcase. Decide and own your prices. Stick to the price. Don't waver on the last day because you've got no sales, maybe, or whatever. What I want you to do is focus on the price and do not negotiate. The price is the price is the price, and the value is showing in the price. Okay. So we're not going to fall at the last hurdle by second guessing ourselves or anything. Images, create what I call Batman Pow, so it jumps off the screen. Back in the 80s, there used to be the old Batman TV programs, and they used to have all the words. Really coming out colourful words like pow, bam, wham, all of this. So that's why I call it Batman Pow. So it needs to pop and jump off the screen. Social media, build the like, know, and trust factor. You've probably heard this loads of times. Focus on what platforms to showcase on, where are your people, and also with the clients and the customers, build relationships and talk to them. Remember, they are human beings. They have dreams and desires and goals and family and health, and they've got their own stuff going on, okay? And the dates to start, when are you going to start the pre-launch? When are you starting with everything? Be on it 100% and go all in, okay? So pre-launch is where you dangle the carrot. So you can show behind the scenes pictures, you can talk about things behind the scenes. Oh, this is what I'm working on, check this out, blah, blah, blah. What do you think this is? Showcase your expertise in it as well. Be consistent, show up. You're not just posting once and then that's it. You need to build up to the point that people are going to say yes to you. Yes to your products and service. Yes, they are keeping an eye on you over the next few days. They're going to want to know what you're going to share, what you are showcasing, all of this, okay? And so they're going to recommend you to others as well. So it's not who you know or who you're talking to. They can actually sell for you and showcase, oh, you need to go and see so and so on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever, you know what I mean? Because they're showcasing this or they're, you know, selling this product. So they can actually do the work for you and bring in more sales too, just by recommending you. It's a bit like going to a local restaurant. If you love it, you're going to share about it with your friends and your family, and then you're recommending it out to people, okay? And always be genuine and be you. You don't have to pretend to be something you're not. Release any expectations that you've got. Obviously, set a goal if you want to of how much you want to make over the 4-day window, but go with the flow. Have fun, enjoy it, okay? It's all about ease and flow. Go with the ebbs and flows of everything and see how you get on. But you need to have fun with it all. And remember, whatever you are sharing online, you may gain followers that can buy in the future as well, not just on the 4-day window. So I'm going to share with you the launch strategy of what to do for each day, but it's entirely up to you what you actually do yourself. So dive deep, enjoy. So Black Friday, you've got to have fun, okay? Black Friday, have fun, be excited about it, do live streams, reels, videos, post stories, emails, all of that thing. So you can actually record them before, write them before, program in so that they're released, so that you don't have to be on it, particularly on the day. You don't need to be creating all this stuff actually on the day. You create it beforehand and then you launch it and release it when you want to on each day. Saturday, 2 sleeps left. Okay, so you got Saturday night, Sunday night. There we go. Show excitement, still keep the momentum, consistency showing up. Okay, show out there new images, include links to buy, share testimonials, chat about how you can help your clients and customers, do a live stream and answer Q&As if needs be, anything like that. Sunday, 1 sleep left. So showcase the quality of their life. Paint them a picture. Show them what their life can be like, what their business is going to be like, what they're investing in, the product service offering that you are actually showcasing. Even Christmas gifts for the loved ones if they're buying for their loved ones, okay? The Cyber Monday is the last day. Remain excited, stay focused regardless how many sales you've made. Know that you can show all of the products and services that you chose and drip feed throughout the day. Send an email for the last call, do whatever you need to do in order to bring it in, but don't lose the excitement or the momentum and consistency, okay? And always know that you can and will achieve anything you set your mind to. Everything is all about mindset. Okay. It really, really is. To stay focused on it. You're in this for the long game. You're not in this for just the 4-day window. You're in this to get clients and customers in, more audience, more followers, as well as sales, so that you can then sell to them at a later date as well as the 4-day window. And you've really, really got to have fun with everything. Everything is flow and ease. Okay. So enjoy every single moment of your 4-day window for the holiday season. Bring in those sales, take action. Don't second guess yourself. enhance the lives of your clients and customers with your product, service, and offerings, and let me know how you get on. You can get me at RebeccaAdamsBiz.com. Have fun and enjoy.